Hello, my name is Tom Lubrick, and I have just purchased a Hisense 55-inch Series U8N next-gen TV with an ATSC 3.0 over-the-air tuner. I am not a TV technician, nor am I a member of the Geek Squad. I am just a consumer that had problems. I have my TV set up for basic TV operations only, and I'm not set up for Google. Next-gen TV allows TV stations to send out beautiful 4K video and sound signals over the air. This is the future of television as our standards change from 1080 to 4K resolution. My next-gen TV stations worked fine for about 2 weeks, but when I wanted to watch the Super Bowl on a next-gen channel, instead of seeing this, I got the black screen of death for next-gen TV. It is in fact similar to the blue screen of death on a PC, and this means the computer no longer works. Attempting to rectify this situation, I looked across the internet and I've got these 4 repair recommendations. First was to kill power for 60 seconds and then power back on the TV. It didn't work. The next one was to make sure the TV was logged into the internet. It was. The third one was to check for software updates, but all the updates were current. Finally, I did a full factory reset and the problem still persisted. I remembered that sometimes for certain programs when using my computer, caches need to be cleared. Clearing the cache data did solve the problem, and I'm going to tell you how to do it. Please do a screen grab of this procedure. I'll leave it up here for a little bit so you can copy it and then print it out for future reference. You may need it again somewhere down the line. Turn on your TV set. On your remote, using the direction ring, move right twice or until you are over the gear. Press OK. Press OK again. Using the direction ring, move down to System and press OK. Using the direction ring, move down to Storage and press OK. Press the OK button for internal shared storage. Use the direction ring, move down to Cache Data. It's a box that is a green square, and press OK. Press the OK button over the highlighted OK. If asked to confirm it, then do so. Your cache data will now be cleared. Using the direction ring, move to the left until you're back to internal shared storage. Using the direction ring, move down to Storage, Read and Write Protection and press OK. Press OK again to turn it on, and press OK to confirm it. Finally, press the Home key and return to the TV channels. Then find the next-gen channels that gave you the problems. They should all work now. I just want to let you know that I purposely slowed down, going through the steps so that everyone could follow along the procedure as they navigate through their TV's parameters. I am now pulling up a local next-gen station.
Get invested in high growth companies and fall in love with the Ram team, fall in love with the people there, and then also their mission and help the American businesses save money and time.
I sure hope this video has helped you get your next-gen TV stations working again. Please leave me a comment and let me know if this video has helped you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching your Hisense TV.